Hi everyone, I'll make presentation for you. Actually, systematic thinking is classified theory 1 and theory 2. There has been a debate between human institution, and there are two ways. There are two ways of thinking that are familiar with. There is a mode that comes to mind, and there is a way to listen to it. When we see an angry person's face, it does not mean that the person is angry. So it does not give the impression that something is happening. We have passive experience in these judgments. So when we see the word, we don't decide to see it. This is true for impression, and what we call institutive thinking is generally true. Actually, another way for truth to come to mind is if, as you see the formula is considered, this is not something that comes to mind all at once. It is step-by-step program that requires action. This is actually what we do. This is known as another way of thinking. This is not the intuitive way. It's a matter of urgency. This is a situation that requires effort. Actually, if we define the system one, some basic emotional events, some reactions to which we react emotionally are called systems. Also known as the initiative process. This is where the skill is. If the skill increases, the system becomes automatic. System 1 has word knowledge and use word knowledge to classify situation as a normal and abnormal. For example, the idea that a blue-eyed girl's mother should have a blue eyes is considered intuitive and automatic. It is considered system 1 actually. If we define the system 2 truth system are closely linked with knowledge. It is aimed to at obtaining the best or correct answer to a clearly defined question. Speed, accuracy, logic, and the like emphasize skills. Focus on applying familiar, repetitive techniques and accumulating knowledge. It is therefore effective in situations where it is necessary to leverage what is already known by applying tradition and logical decision-making strategy to provide an answer. A stick and a ball together cost exactly 1.10. The bat is more expensive than the ball. Of course, how much does the ball cost? In this case, $1 or $20 immediately come to mind, but this is wrong. The solution is 5 cents. Approximately 50% of undergraduate students define this question as 10 cents. What is the learn here is that if checked it wouldn't be called 10 cent. There is a sense of trust these people have. They bring us to system 2. System 1 is intuitive and system 2 is deliberate and deduce. It arises from the description of self-control and control by other activities. System 1 operation are called automatic ones and system 2 operation are called additional ones. Driving a car is a skill and it allows these things to start automatically. Braking is truly automatic. If a car that skis and an ice surface is used, it may ski it. It will know not to do it, and the system will take to action because it knows that it's dangerous to drive in an ice place. To give an example of system 1, the light of research, there is a tea room and the coffee shop where people can make a tea and coffee and buy biscuits, and there is an honest wolf and these people pay the honest box. Someone has an idea to stick poster on the top of the honest box and change it weekly, and the poster are changed voluntarily, but people are not aware of this, are not aware of the poster affect their behavior, things change in our minds that we do not receive. Thanks for your attention.